Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open an interactive broker's account. First, ensure you have your government-issued ID and proof of address ready. Next, decide if you need an individual, joint, or corporate account. Then, navigate to the interactive broker's website and begin the online application process. It's a straightforward process, but having your information organized beforehand will make it much smoother. We'll walk through each step together. Interactive Brokers offers various account types to suit different investors. For most individuals, a standard individual account is sufficient. If you're investing with a partner, a joint account might be ideal. Businesses will need a corporate account, which requires additional documentation like articles of incorporation. Be sure to select the account type that best fits your investment goals and legal structure. Once your application is submitted, you'll need to fund your account. Interactive Brokers supports various funding methods, including bank wire transfers and ACH deposits. Be aware of any minimum deposit requirements, which can vary but are often around $100. Finally, you'll complete the identity verification process by uploading your documents, ensuring your account is secure and compliant. After funding and verification, the final steps involve reviewing and accepting the client agreement. This outlines the terms and conditions of your brokerage account. Then you can customize your trading permissions, enabling access to specific markets or products. Once everything is set, you're ready to start trading. Also, for a great resource on personal finance, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.